How to use QBE Disability Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. QBE Disability Insurance in Australia is designed to safeguard your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. However, many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or even invalidate a claim. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some QBE policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with limited or no benefits. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster protection. Balancing this with your savings is essential. Underestimating your benefit amount is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, monthly expenses, and financial obligations. A lower benefit may save money in premiums, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. HIP offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can limit flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. HIP requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, QBE Disability Insurance Australia can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.